Then B, 7b, an object of mass 16 kg is moving with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square. Calculate the applied force. If the same force is applied on an object of mass 24 kg, how much will be the acceleration? First thing, what we do? We write the data. What is given in the example, that we note down first. Here we have the mass of the object. Here two objects are there, so m1, m2 will be there. m1 will be 16 kg and m2 is 24 kg. Acceleration is 3 meter per second square, and we have to find the acceleration of the second object. And what will be the force applied? F we have to find. We know that F equal to mn. That is the second law of motion. So putting the values, we find force for first object. So putting values, m1 into a1 will be equal to 16 into 3 equal to 48 and Newton. So the force is 48 Newton acting between the objects. Then we have to find the acceleration for the second object, and that we can find by using F equal to m2 a2. So putting the value, we have the value of F 48 equal to 24 into a2, and thus a2 equal to 48 upon 24 equal to 2 meter per second square.